Welcome to Knock Knock Kids! Today we'll be making classic French toast. Let me show you all our ingredients before we start. We have 4 eggs. Then we have half a cup of milk. A little bit of cinnamon, maybe a lot. And then we have some vanilla extra. We have our whisker, of course. And then, of course, we need our bread. We have our bowl. So let's get started. First, we're going to put in 4 eggs. Next, we're going to have half a cup of milk. Now that we're finished adding our 2 ingredients, let's add the cinnamon. It smells very good. Okay, now we're going to mix. Okay, I think that's enough whisk. You can still see a lot of the cinnamon. Okay guys, now that we finished mixing everything together, now we're going to add the butter to the plate. And if you guys are doing this at home, make sure you have an adult or a parent or someone older than you. Are done. Let's start decorating our thing. So we're going to sprinkle some sugar. And put syrup. Now time for some berries. It's done. It looks so good. I'm so excited to try it. Okay guys, now I'm finished with it. So I'm so excited. So let's take a bite. You guys have to try this at home. It's so good. And make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and smash the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time.